to my videos if you like it. Like within the first 10 minutes of watching my video, shoot your boy a like. I mean, it doesn't cost anything, and it helps to promote the video through the algorithm. So, all right. So, what's up? So, my daily vlogs should entail realistic things, right? So today we will be repairing that. I don't know if you noticed it, but there should be another piece of trimming right there. So unfortunately, that trimming got ripped off one day on the highway. So today we received this one all the way from Japan. So it's a huge box. So today we will be installing it. That's how big it is. We will be installing it today and giving you guys like a rundown on how to install these things. And yep, this is my first time installing it, and I did bring my camera back this time, so I've tripod and everything in here I need to mount the camera. So I have a baby tripod on it now, so I'm gonna use the baby tripod until I get bored, because I know you guys like to see different angles. So y'all gonna see one angle first, and then if I feel like it, I'll change the angle. So first thing first, get inside this box. So I'm gonna set you guys up. You guys can like see me roll. So let's mount this bad boy better. And don't worry, there's a 10mm on this, so I know it's wide enough to kind of capture everything. I know it's very wide, so and I am using manual mode. So let's see what this looks like. I'm using manual mode and I'm not using a mic. Oh, the camera looks a bit lean. Nice. That'll be fine. Look at the size box for the small item. Look at the size box. Yep, that car alarm is wailing. Is that better? Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to make sure the camera. You see everything. Yes, it is. It's not straight, but I'm not interested in straightening it because that's too much work right now. I'm gonna just keep it like that. Alright, everything seems easy except everything seems easy until it's not. Alright, as usual, there's always some there's always something. Oh man. Alright guys, so the bolt fell down in this hole. Yay. Got it. Alright. The bolts are on the wrong side. This should be here. this should be here. Let me show you what I did. So this bolt here was here, but it needed to be here, so I switched both bolts. Just letting y'all know what I'm doing. Give y'all a better view. Remember to clean the area. Remember to clean the area. I got too much weight on. I definitely gotta lose this weight. I got too much weight on. Camera just fell. Whatever. It's fine. It's fine. So remember to do somewhat clean this area, because 9 out of 10 time I'll put the cage back on this camera. Can't afford to drop it. Remember to clean this area, because 9 out of 10 times this area here will not will not be touched nor wet anymore. So just give it the best clean you can, because once this is closed up, once this area here is closed off, you have no more access to it. So clean it up, then attach it. Oh, my camera just fell. It fell on the top though, on the mic. It fell on the mic. I have a cage for it. I'm gonna put the cage back on it. Can't afford any more mishaps. I'm gonna put the cage back on the camera. But your boy gotta be back in that gym, like wow. I've not been active for a minute, and I can feel that shit. There you have it. It's discolored, but because one is new and one is not, so it has a slight color difference. My camera just fell. I felt that in my bones, and all that small thing came in these big old boxes. Crazy, but yeah, that's it. So one thing I know, in order to change this color back to this color, you use heat. So if you have like a blowtorch or a lighter, you can use it to change the color. There's a gap here. Let's see if there's a gap on the next side. Yep, there's a gap here. That's fine. That's fine. There we go, squad. I did not have to use. Man, I'm tired. I'm gonna go back to the gym tonight because I'm not supposed to be feeling this way after doing such a small job. But yeah, there we go, guys. So I'm gonna wait for the 3D tape to sort of grab. Oh, my chair is broke. Oh my god, look at this shit. Whew. I'm not falling. There's a lot going on today, isn't it? Yeah, we back. Whew. Almost killed my damn self. So right there we go, guys. We're done. So we're just gonna wait now for the tape to sort of dry. Then yes, sir.